Hello everyone, I am Shahan Laik and today I will discuss about suffocation and its different types of suffocation. So suffocation is a type of mechanical asphyxia. You know, mechanical asphyxia, it is a kind of mechanical asphyxia. And it can be of two main causes. One is lack of oxygen in the environment. Another is the mechanical obstruction to the air passage by different means. Now there are different types of suffocation like smothering, choking, gagging, traumatic asphyxia, barking, overlying, inhibition of irrespirable gases. So let us learn one by one. What is smothering? Smothering is a form of asphyxia in which the external respiratory orifice like nose and mouth is obstructed. Okay, so this is smothering. You can see here with the help of a pillow, with the help of hand, the nozzle and the nasal orifice and also the mouth orifice is obstructed. Next is gagging. So what is gagging? Gagging is a type of asphyxia caused by preventing air entry into the respiratory tract by stuffing gag material in the mouth. Gag is a kind of material like you have the cloth, you have paper that is put inside the mouth and the person starts gagging. Oh, unfortunately we don't have the picture of gagging. Gagging means sometimes the handkerchief is put inside the mouth and that is called gagging. Okay. Next is we will learn about overlying. So what is overlying? It is a kind of compression suffocation. So when mother or another person sharing a bed with infants, during sleep the mother or the person may compress the infant by overlying over it. So compressing over that person, that is called overlying. Next is barking. So what is barking? Barking was a method that was invented by these two persons, William Burke and William Harvey, and these two persons actually kill people and they used to sell the bodies to a doctor. How they kill? First, Burke and Harvey used to invite the victim to their as a guest, and after let him drink alcohol. After the guest is full of alcohol, when the guest has drunk fully, then Burke used to sit on the chest. Burke sit on the chest and closes the mouth and nostrils of the victim by hand, and Harvey used to pull the victim round the room, okay, by feet. This is a combination. So barking is a combination of smothering and traumatic asphyxia. Traumatic asphyxia means some trauma. With the help of trauma, the asphyxia has occurred. Like in case of the RTA, road traffic accident, or in case of earthquake, the bricks has fallen on the chest, or the car has been smashed, so it has fallen on the chest and the diaphragm cannot be used for ventilation. That is traumatic asphyxia. Next is sorry for this. What is choking? Choking means something that has been that has gone inside and cause asphyxia. See here, choking is a form of asphyxial death caused by mechanical obstruction of airway from within, from inside. Example, a coin. When a coin, a child has swallowed a coin or a animal bone or a piece of meat, that is called choking. Okay, choking. So most of the terminology we have discussed, I think. Let me check it once again. Smothering, I told you. In case of smothering with hand or pillow, the nostrils and the mouth is stopped Next is choking. In choking, like coins and all these animal bones has gone inside and cause asphyxia. Next is gagging. In case of gagging, gag materials are used, like in case of handkerchief or cotton or cloth is used for gagging material inside the mouth. Traumatic asphyxia, I told you, in case of RTA, road traffic accident, and in case of also for in case of the earthquake. Traumatic asphyxia, where pressing on the chest. Barking, I told you, it is a combination of smothering and also traumatic asphyxia. Overlying, when the person remains over the another person and cause asphyxia. And inhalation of irrespirable gases. Suppose inhalation of different kinds of inert gases. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Bye bye.